Pallavi C. Varadaraja, who has come all the way from Bangalore for giving this wonderful lecture demonstration concert, insights into Ashta Tala Avadhana Pallavis. So, this is a very unique style. His father is a legend, and he himself was a Pallavi exponent and very famously known as Pallavi Chandrappa. And coming in that tradition, Sri Varadaraja sir has been propagating all that his father has created, and they want to propagate the kala of Avadhana Pallavis to the next generation. And that they have been doing as a human service. And my father, Chitravina Narsimhan, who is a Pallavi Chakrabarti, personally told me that you should invite Sri Varadaraja sir for your festival. And if my father says, he being a scholarly musician, he will not give certificate to someone just like that. So if he has recommended somebody, I think it is very, very special. He never comes and tells me, put somebody. Never he tells anything like that. If he has strongly recommended Sri Varadaraja sir to me when I was in USA, he called me specifically to tell this. If you are doing Pallavi Darbar, please invite Sri Varadaraja sir. And so that is the reason I have called him. I have not had I am also looking forward to this opportunity to see and learn. So it will be a learning experience. I only hope that there were more students of music who are here today to benefit by these things. Of course, this generation is a very intelligent generation. They do a lot of things. But still, as seekers of music, music is so big that we have to learn every single day. So, however good we are, music will tell us that we are nothing. So, that is the greatness of music. I hope that, we are, will be, with your permission, sir, we will be putting this online. That is how we do put all the Pallavi Darbar concerts. So that many people around the world can benefit by this work. I also would like to welcome Vidwan Sri C.A. Rajshekhar, who is here today. A wonderful Vidwan doing human service to the field of music. And there's also a Pallavi winner for the competition, Anirudh. We welcome him also. So we have a wonderful team of artists. Let us welcome Gokul, who has come all the way from Kerala. I just gave him one call just 10 days back. I came from US pretty late, and then it was, and I was putting all this together. When I called him, I didn't tell what sir is going to do, but he readily accepted the challenge. Because to accept a challenge for something like this, when you have very lucrative, easy programs where you don't have to strain and perform, particularly coming all the way from Kerala, he has enough opportunities there to perform. So it shows the commitment towards learning. That is what brought Gokul here. I sincerely thank him for that commitment to this, and thank you for being here. Similarly, Vidwan Ganapati Raman, I can tell you, is one of the most underrated Mridangam artists, being a top percussion artist. He is easily one of the best, but never assumes importance. He never, there are a lot of artists who will show that they know so much. Ganapati Raman, like, we usually say, Anjaneya does not know his strength. Like that, Ganapati Raman will never say, I know this, I know that. But you put him in any kind of concert, whether it is Namasankirtanam, Bhajana Sampradayam, or you put him in a Carnatic regular concert, or you put him for something else, or you put him in a highest level complex Pallavis, anything he will sit he will make it a success. That is because he thoroughly enjoys what is happening on stage and he follows the singer completely. So it is best to come with a blank mind and then look at the artist and then see what they are doing and then just react on stage. One of the most best in anticipation is Ganapati Raman. He will see the artist and play anything that they give as a challenge. So it's indeed a pleasure to have him. Thank you all. I will not take more of sir's time. Thank you again for coming all the way, sir. We deem it a privilege to host you. Thank you. Sit back and enjoy this concert. Thank you.
ததறின 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 Hanum tanum tanum ta hanum tanam ta hanum tanam tanum tanum tananum tanum tanam tanum taranum tanum hanum tanum tanum taranum tanum taranum taranum tanum taranum tanum anum tanum taranam tanum nanan tanum taranum anum taranum tanam taranum tanum ta anum tanum 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 ta anum tanum tanum taranum tanum tanum tananum tanum tanan tanum anantanam tanam hanum tanum nanum tanan tananum tanum tanum hanum tanum tananum tananum tanum tananum tanum hanum tanum 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 taranum taranum tanum tanum taranum tanum tanum anum tanum tananum tanum nanum tanum nanam tanum tanum tananum tanum tanum anum tananum tanan tanum tananum tanum tanum nanum hanum tanum tanum nanum tanum 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 tanan tanum 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 nanum tanum tanum nanum tanum tanum nanum tanum hanum tanum taranum 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 tanum tanum taranum tanum tanum nanum tanum taranum taranan tan hanan tanum 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 nanum tanum taranum 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 tanum tanum ta anum tanum taranum tanum 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 taranum tanum taranum tanum anum tanum tanum taranum tanum taranum tanum anum tanum taranum tanum 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 ta anum tanum 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 ta anum tanum 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 ta anum tanum 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 taranum anantanantananam anantananta nantaran My sincere namaskaram to all the legendary artists of Tamil Nadu and musicians, the audience. I convey my grateful thanks to our legendary senior most artist of Pallavi Narasimhan sir and their children, Vidwans, the all world familiar artists like Ravi Kiran sir, Shashi Kiran, Ashok Kumar, and the office bearers of Karnataka, Sri Partha Sarthi Swami, Gana Sabha, and all. Till now, we are hearing Raga Tanapal briefly in Raga Vachaspati. I am proud to announce one more thing that hats up to Pallavi Darbar. It's only one in the whole world that dedicated to Pallavi. Pallavi is like at most toppest task to sing and perform and it's a challenging topic, scholarly topic. அது ஒரு மாதிரி ஒரு கோயிலுக்கு பெரியார் கோபுரம் மாதிரி கலசம் வச்சு எப்படி இருக்கும். கர்நாடகா சாஸ்திரிய சங்கீத்தில் இந்த Pallavi is a scholarly topic. நிறைய எஃபர்ட் பண்ணி பாடணும். Pallavi வந்து one more things I want to mention here. In 1955, in the year 1955 onward, my most respected father and guru, Laya Yogi Pallavi Chandrappa, he underwent more than 12 years in Gurukula system in higher studies in Chennai with senior most artist Tirupati Vidyala Narasimhulu Naidu, Pallavi Narasimhulu Naidu, and also our legendary artist for Tamil Nadu, Kalaimamani, D.K. Pattavan also learning with my father, with the same guru. We were doing all service to the guru and learned in the ancient talas. He presented many rare and intricate talavadana Pallavis in Chennai, Madras Music Academy in 1960 onwards. With his guru and also individually, But one thing that I like to mention here, he has given many concert in Ashtottara Shatatala Pallavis. The Pallavi was singing whatever the Angasapta, the Angasava, Lagu, Guru, Pruta, Kakapad and all. It was not at all counting. When singing in Manolaya, Manolaya Pallavi. It's a very difficult topic, a very tough topic to the co-artist also. Without counting the angas of this thing, Lagu, Guru, Plata, Kakapadanda. How to know the where that comes, Lagu comes, where that this thing comes, Guru, Plata, everything, that Tala. And like this, that system he was singing, the same tradition I also following that. I sang very much ancient talas like individually Ashtottara Tala Pallavi in Manolaya system, and combination with Suradi talas, combinations with that Ashtottara Tala, both in the Talavadana Pallavi. My father is the only artist of Pallavi, legendary. He is the first person to introduce Talavadana Pallavi in Karnataka state history in 1970. Now I'm going to sing Ashtakala Talal Pallavi. In ancient days, the elders of legendary artists were given a most important example. Pakaro Padagarbantul Lakaro Laya Uchete Vivarna Vinyasaha Proktaha Pallavyartha Vishakshanaiki Hen. அது மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ಪದಗರ್ಭಲಯ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಮನೋಧರ್ಮ ಸಂಗೀತಂ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಲಯ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ ಏನ್ಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಇನ್ Kanchipuram Naina Pillai, and the laya aspect was continued by my father's guru, Pallavi Narasimhalu Naidu, and after that the same guru, disciple of my father, we were singing, and I am continuing here in Talavadana Pallavi. I am giving much priority for the laya aspect. I made research work on Tala aspect, more ancient Tala also. This is first time I introduced Ashtakala Pallavi. In Karnataka, I don't hear anybody they sang this Ashtakala. Today, the Pallavi is like I selected two Talas. It is very simple Tala. In the right hand, the Khanda Jati Tipadtala, two kalas. Two kalas. The Pallavi Edipu on the second beat line start out. I have given in my paper, whatever you were saying that presentation, that paper elder Pallavi with live. What are the information I want to say, everything it is there in my paper. You can go through that. In the Aradile 6 counts were there. Pallavi Sahitya Dasharatha Ramachandraya Dayanidhan சின்ன சாய்ச்சி வந்து ராமர் மேலே பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அது ஒரு ரைட் ஹேண்ட் தாளம் பாடி காமிக்கிறேன். தசரத ராமச்சந்திரயா தயநிதி தசரத ராமச்சந்திரயா இந்த மாதிரி வருது. The left hand thala is Mishra Jati, Atathalam, 18 beats. If you make it double, 36 counts. The Pallavi start from 6th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In thumb finger it start, Thala. The Pallavi start. Dasharata Ramachandaya Dayani Dasharata Ramachandaya இப்படி வர்த்தது. If these young artists, upcoming talents, if they make decision, they may also sing. Or once vacha alla paadala. Only thing they have to make concentration. Suppose if you are going in your car, no, when the telephone comes, no, you will attend all the things. Phone le person drive பண்றது, clutch pedal, brake, அப்புறமா signal எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு இது பண்ணு பார்க்கலாம். ட்ரைவ் பண்ணியிருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி if you concentrate many things, no, you can also execute this Talavadana Pallavi. இந்த கடைசியில் இந்த it goes விளம்ப காலத்தில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. விளம்ப காலம் ஆச்சு பிற்பாடு ஃபஸ்ட் ஸ்பீடுக்கு வரும். 2 ஸ்பீட் ஆச்சு. In between the second speed, it comes விளம்பல் திஸ்ரம் வருது. அப்புறம் ரெண்டாவது காலம் அது ஆடிப்பிட்டு மத்தியம காலம் திஸ்ரம், அது ஆடிப்பிட்டு மூணாவது காலம் 6 ஸ்பீட் ஆச்சு. அது மேலே வருது மேல் காலம் திஸ்ரம் வருது. மேல் காலம் திஸ்ரம் ஆடிப்பிட்டு 4th speed. That comes each beat 8 counts. That is called Ashtakala Pallavi. Dasharata Ramachandaya Dayani Dasharata Ramachandaya Dayani Dasharata Ramachandaya தசரதம் ராமச்சந்திரம் தயநிதய தசரதம் சரதம் ராமச்சந்திரம் Yeah. ದಯಾನಿಧ ದಯಾನಿಧ ಶರದ ದಶ ರಥ ರಮ ದಶರಥ ರಮಚಂದ್ರಯ್ಯ ದನಿವದ ಮವಗ ಮರಿಗ ಮವ ದನಿಸ ನಿರ ಸತ್ ನಿಸದ ನಿ ಪದ ನಿಗ ರೇ ಸನಿದ ರೇ ಸನಿದ ಪ ನಿದ ಪದ ಮದಶ ರಥ ರಮ ಚಂದ್ರಯ್ಯ ಸಗರೆ ಮಗ ಪಮ ಧಬ ನಿದ ನಿಸ ನಿರೆ ಸತ್ ನಿಸದ ನಿಬದ ಮಪ ಗಮರಿ ಗಮ ಪದ ಸಾಸ ರೇ ಸ ನಿದ ನಿ ನಿಸ ನಿದ ಪದ ಸ ನಿದ ಪಮದ ಶರದ ರಮ ಚಂದ್ರಯ್ಯ ದಾನಿ ಬದ ಮಪ ಗರೆ ಮಗ ಪಮದ ಬನಿ ದನಿ ಸ ಗಾಟ್ರಿಗ ಸರಿ ಸದನಿ ಪದ ನಿ ಸದನಿ ಪದ ಮಪದ ನಿ ಸ ರೇ ಗಾಟ್ರಿ ಸನ್ನಿಧನಿ ಸಾರೆ ಸನ್ನಿಧ ಪದ ನಿ ಸನ್ನಿಧ ಪಮದ ಶರದ ರಮ ಚಂದ್ರಯ್ಯ దని ದ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಮಬನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಮಗರೆ ಗ ಗ ಗರೆ ಮಗ ಬ ಮ ದ ಪ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಮಗ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಮಗ ದ ಪ ದ ಗ ಮಗ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ಮ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಮಗ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಸ ನಿ ರೆ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ರೇ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಸ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ni da 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 ni da ni pa da ma pa pa ma pa da ma ga pa ma ni da pa da ni sa ti ka sa di ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ma ga ri ma ga pa ma da pa ni da sa ni sa sa re ga di sa ni da ni da ni sa ni da pa ma pa pa da ni da pa ma ga ma sa re ga di sa ni da ni sa re sa sa ni da ni da da pa ma ga sha ra da ra ma dai sa di sa ni sa di da ni da sa di sa ni da ni sa di da ni da ni sa di da pa ma ma ga re sa ni ga ma ga sa sa ni sa 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 di re ga ga ma pa ga ma pa da pa ga 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 ma pa ga ma pa ma pa da pa da ni sa re sa ni da ga di re sa ni ga di re sa ni re sa ni da da pa ma ga sha ra da ra ma chan dai sari ga di re ga ma pa ma pa da pa da ni da ni sa ni da ni sa ga di sa ni da sa ni da pa ni da pa ma ga ma ga ri ga di sa da ni sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma pa ga di sa da ni sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma pa sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma pa sa ni sa ni da ni sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma pa sa ni da ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma sa ni sa ni ni sa ni da sa ni da pa ma ga sha ra da ra ma chan dai ya ma ga ma ga ma da ma ga ma ga sa ni da ma ga ma ga sa ni da ga sa ga ma ga Gari gaga gaga gari ga 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 gari ga Hari gaga gari hari gaga gari gaga 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 gari hari gaga ga papa papa da baga gaga gaga da baga da da baga da da gaba da 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 gaba da san sa da da ga 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 na na ga 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 da ba ga da da ba ga da da gaba da 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 gaba da san sa Does it go? Ga ga ga. God, does it go? சப தப சதப தப பவ கரி ச ஹரி க ப க ச ச சரி ச ச ச சரி கரி ரி 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 க ப க க க ப க க ப த ப க க க க ப த க க க ப த ப ப ப ப த ச த த த த க ச ர ச த ப த க த ச த க ரி த த ச ரி ச ச த ப த ப க த ஷ ர த ர ம சந்தைய க க க மக ம ம மக க கமத நிச நித ம ம கமத நிச நித ம ப ம க க க ம க க க ம க ரி ரி க ம க ம த ந ந ந ந ந மக மக ரி ரி க மக ரி ரி க ம த நி த நி த ம ப மக ரி 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 க ம த ம க ம த நி த நி 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 த ம த த த ம க ம ம மக ரி ச ச நி ச ச ச ச ரி ச ரி 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 க ம க க க ம த ம ம ம த நி த த த நி த ரி த த ச ரி நி ரி த த த ம ம க க க ரி 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 த த க ரி ரி ச ரி ச ரி க ம க ச ரி ச ரி க ம க ச ச க ரி க ம க ரி 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 க ம த ம க க க க ம த நி த க ம க ம க நி த க ம க ம த நி த க க க ம த நி த ம ம ம த நி ச நி த த த த நி ச நி ನೀದ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಅವದಲ್ಲಿ ದಪ್ಪ ಧನಿ ದದ್ದ ಧನಿದ ಧನಿದ ಬಮ ಪತಂಗಿದ ಬಮ ನಿದ್ದ ಬಮ ಬದ ಬಮ ಬದರ ಬಮ ಬದಮ ನಿಧನಿ ಬಮ ದಮ ದಮ ಬಮ ಗಮ ಮರಿ ರಿ ಗರಿ ಗಗ ಗರಿ 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 ಗಮ ಗಮ ಬದಮ ನಿಧನಿ ಬದಮ ಬದಮ ದಮ ಬಗ ಮಗ ಬಮ ಬಗ ಮಗ ದಮ ಗಮ ನೀದ ಬಮ ಪಸಂಗಿದ ಬಮ ಬನೀದ ಬಮ ಬದಮ ನಿಧನಿ ಬದಮ ಬಮ ದಮ ಬಮ ಗಮ ಮರಿ ಗರಿ ಗರಿ ಮಗ ಬಮ ದಮ ನಿಧ ಧನಿ ಧನಿ ಗಾರಿ ಧನಿ 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 ಗರಿ ಮಗರಿ ಧನಿ ಸಗರಿ ಧನಿ ಧನಿ ಸದನಿ ಬದನಿ ಸದನಿ ಬದಮ ಬಮ ದಮ ಬಗ ಮಗ ಬಮ ಬಮ ದಮ ನಿಧ ಧನಿ ಸದನಿ ಬನಿ ಧನಿ ಬದಮ ಬಮ ದಮ ನಿಧ ಧನಿ ದಬದ ಧನಿ ಸರು ನಿಧನಿ ಧರ ಬದ ನಿಧನಿ ಧರ ಬಮ ಬದ ನಿಧನಿ ಧನಿ ಸರು ನಿಧನಿ ಧರ ಬದ ನಿಧನಿ ಧರ ಬಮ ಬದ ಬದ ಸರು ನಿಧನಿ ಧರ ಬದ ನಿಧನಿ ಧರ ಬಮ ಬದ ಧನಿ ದಬ ಮ ಬ ಪ ಪ ಮ ಬ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಬ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಬ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಮ ಪ gamagari ga gamagari ga gamagari ga sari gamagari re ga ma pa ma ga ga pa pa da pa ga ma pa da pa ma pa pa da pa ma pa pa da pa ma pa ga pa pa da pa ma ma pa da ri da pa pa da ri da ri da re ga re sa ri sa re ga re sa ri sa ga re sa ri sa ga re sa ri re sa ri da pa da sa ri da pa ma da
Our sincere thanks to Vidwan, Pallavi Vidwan, Sri Varadaraja sir, for this wonderful exposition of Avadhana Pallavi. He himself has given the details of what he has done in both hands. But more than anything, one hand to put Kandajati Tripuratalam and another hand Atatalam parallelly, Misrajati Atatalam, is not easy. While you're doing different speeds, for that the amount of practice and training that he would have undergone, and his father's Vidvat, and all the gurus. We've heard a lot about Pallavi Narasimhalu Naidu's capacity as a Pallavi exponent. What we can see is a lot of these kinds of talam practices and laya practices were given to Vidwans who were learning Carnatic music in the past. And the practice of Shatkalams were also in vogue in those times more. Now, even from Sarlavarsa, we normally do 3 speeds. I only hope that, the younger generation is exposed to knowing what a Shatkalam practice is, and doing that will give that control and mastery over the Chauka Kalam. He did the first speed in a Kala Pramanam, which is very new to many of the current generation artists. So, thank you very much for this wonderful exposition. I'm sure many will be benefited by such efforts. Once again, sincerely thank Sri Varadaraja sir for taking time to come under our request and do this presentation for us, giving us insights into Avadhana Pallavis. Thank you so much. On the violin, a big round of applause to Gokul. Gokul has been a very, very fine violin artist who fits into any kind of concert seamlessly. And his awareness of what to do on stage is absolutely impeccable. How to play, for what occasion, what to play, and how much to play, all that he has learnt in very, very quick time, and definitely he will be a shining star in the field of Carnatic music.
Good.
No doubt about it. Thank you so much for being here. And I was just telling, we have Vidwan Arun Prakash also with us, and Rajshekhar ji. I was telling how beautifully Vidwan Ganapati Raman accompanied on the Mridangam.
Wonderful.
He is so observing of every single moment. What is even in Arun Prakash's presentation, I don't know how many of you came. He said it is more important to understand the Vishranti in Carnatic music. What is that space? And when the space is there, the silence has to be maintained, whether it is a vocalist or a percussion artist. So in the carways and all, you should not keep playing and filling that gaps. He did it so beautifully today. He was observing whatever Vidwan Varadaraja sir was doing, and his anticipation, as I told, was impeccable. And the Kala Pramanam, whatever the Kala Pramanam is given to him by the vocalist, he was matching it perfectly. Thank you so much for that entire effort. Thank you all for being here in the morning. And afternoon will commence at 2 o'clock. It's going to be by another very fine talent, Rakshita Ramesh, who displayed her exemplary command in different kinds of Pallavis, which included Avadhana Pallavi also. So she will be doing her presentation at 2 o'clock, which also won her the award this year for the Pallavi Darbar competition. So we are looking forward to her presentation at 2 p.m. Thank you all. She is exponent of both Veena and vocal. So mainly she is a Vainika, but that only goes to show that, whether you are instrumental or vocal, Laya is instrumental in making you a better musician. Thank you. Enjoy and be back.